After reviewing user and technician comments, I'll summarize the two most common issues that the Chevrolet Blazer tends to have in recent models, so you can be prepared. A frequently reported problem by Blazer owners is failure or inconsistency in the automatic transmission. Many users on forums like Reddit and Edmunds mention that they feel jerks when shifting gears, or that sometimes the transmission doesn't seem to respond as smoothly as expected, especially in models with the 9-speed automatic transmission. One owner even commented, "Sometimes it feels like the gear gets stuck and you have to press the accelerator several times for it to settle." According to mechanics, this issue may be related to the transmission control software or problems with the torque converter. Chevrolet acknowledged in some technical bulletins that certain models needed a software update to improve responsiveness, in addition to inspecting some internal hydraulic components. The recommendation is to take the vehicle to the dealership for an inspection and update, since in many cases the solution lies in an electronic adjustment, although if there is wear, specific transmission parts may need to be replaced. Another issue that also appears in several reports is the problem with the infotainment system and Bluetooth connectivity, which, although it doesn't affect driving, is an annoyance for many users. On official and brand forums, several owners complain that the system freezes, loses connection with the phone, or restarts unexpectedly, even in 2022 and 2023 models. One user said, "Every time I try to play music from my phone, it disconnects or the system goes crazy." Technicians explain that this is usually a software problem in the multimedia systems control unit, and sometimes updates don't install properly. Chevrolet has released software updates, and some dealerships offered to install the latest version to fix these issues. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to replace the infotainment unit. The recommendation is to always keep the software up to date and, in case of persistent failure, go to an authorized service center for diagnosis and possible repair.